Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to do another Cupshe swimming suit haul. Yes, I know, another one, but here's the thing. I really like the brand. I really like the quality and the price of their swimming suit. I love their style. So when they reached out to ask me if I wanted to do another haul, if I wanted to receive 5 more free swimming suits, I had to say yes. I mean, how could I say no to that? So in this haul, I am going to try 5 different swimming suits. All the links to the swimming suit are going to be in my description box, but you guys have to hurry up if you want to get them because they run out of stock really fast. Another thing that I want to show you guys is their super cute zip bag. First of all, can we take a second to appreciate this beautiful pattern, please? Thank you very much. Now, what I like about this is that if you need to change during the day, you can put your clean set of clothes in the zip bag. When you're ready to change, you can put your wet swimming suit in the zip bag and throw that in your bag, and then you're good to go. Lastly, I have a promotional code for you guys to save 10% off of your order. You have to use the code YTLouisa. I will again I will write it right there actually for you, and then I will put it in the description box. All right, with no further ado, let's get this party started. Alright, so all the swimming suits I'm going to be wearing today are in a size medium. For reference, I am 5'8" or 1.74 meters, and I think I weigh about 140 something pounds, which would be about 64 kilograms maybe. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure, but something like that. Okay, to be honest, I know my measurements better than I know my weight, but that's for another video. All right, so the first swimming suit that I want to show you is called the Retro Mini Floral V-neck Bikini, and it cost $24.99. This is what the swimming suit looks like. I really love the print. I love that the panty is reversible. You can either put it red color or the same pattern as the top. I love the pattern. I think it's a pretty simple but yet sophisticated. As far as the fit, I have to say the panty was a little bit on the bigger size, and I have a fuller butt, hips, thigh area, so that's something to take in consideration. And the top though was a little bit tighter, so there was quite a difference between the top and bottom when it comes to the fit. Okay, moving on to the next swimming suit. It is called the Blue, White and Black Striped Bikini. Same price, $24.99. Okay, I really like the detail on the panty and the top with this swimming suit. I like the little opening that it has on the side. I love the opening it has under the boobs. One thing you have to take in consideration when you are buying this swimming suit is your personal body shape. How does your hip area look like? Do you have inner hip, hip dips, you know, when the hip goes in a little bit like that? Are you rounder in that area? Do you have a lot of meat in that area? Really, that's the question. If you do, you might want to double check and think twice before you order this swimming suit, because of the little opening. It can cause a little crease of fat spilling out of it, but if you don't give a fuck, go for it, girlfriend. All powers to you. As far as the fit, I have to say everything fit really well. Now, this swimming suit does not open in the back, like the bra does not open anywhere. You have to put it through your head, but the straps are adjustable, so you will be able to make it tighter or looser. So that's another thing to take in consideration. All right, my next bikini is the black and white crochet bikini, again a $24.99. So this bikini is a timeless black and white bikini. Everybody needs a black and white bikini in their life, I think. You cannot go wrong. If you don't know what bikini to wear, what color, what this, what that, just throw the black bikini on and you'll be fine. You'll be good to go. What I really like with this bikini is the crochet detail. I think it's super cute, super delicate, and it gives really a nice touch to something that's very simple. Now, what I appreciate also is that it has an opening to the back, so I can put it on and put it off easily. Overall, the fit of this bikini is on point. It's the type of bikini you're gonna throw on and you're not gonna worry about how your swimming suit looks on you at all, because it stays put. It's not moving, it's staying there. You don't have to readjust left and right, you know. Very easy. I love that. We want easy. I want easy in my life. I don't know about you guys, but I want easy in my life. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the fourth swimming suit. The fourth swimming suit is called, oh my gosh, I love this one. It's called the Maroon Strappy Halter Bikini. Listen, you want a sexy swimming suit? This is gonna be it for you guys. So many things that I love about this suit. First of all, the color. This burgundy wine color, Bordeaux color that I love so much. Another thing that I like are the straps. You have 3 straps on each side and you can play with them in so many ways. I personally like to do a little crisscross effect on the swimming suit in the front and then play around with the strap. So it's either I will knot the strap in the back, all of them together, do one knot, or I will take each strap one by one and then I will do 3 different knots on the back, as you can see in this video. It's very versatile. You can pretty much play around with it as much as you want and have fun. Compared to the black and white crochet swimming suit that I put on before, this one you're gonna have to readjust yourself several times during the day, but it is that type of swimming suit, that wow type of swimming suit where you're like, oh my gosh, this is so, it has a wow effect. It's just what it is. Okay, next swimming suit. I'm keeping the best for last because, you know, that's how I do things. Okay, this last swimming suit is my favorite swimming suit of the whole collection, for sure. It is, to me, if I saw this swimming suit in a store, I would expect it to be around $100. I personally love when you can mix classy and sexy at the same time, right? But it's rare that you're able to do that with a swimming suit. Well, this swimming suit is exactly that. So let me show it to you right now. It's called the Red Deep V-neck one-piece swimming suit. It cost $24.99, you guys. $24.99. I mean, let's take a second to do a little bit of math here. Cupshe sent me 5 swimming suits. All of them cost $24.99. Let's say $25. All of those swimming suits cost $25. Altogether, that's $125, right? This swimming suit alone, in my book, is worth $125. How much do I pay for it? $25. And then you wonder why I'm doing another Cupshe video. Alright, so I am loving this V-neck. It is so deep, it almost reaches my belly button. I love the tie front detail that acts as a belt. I love that the stripe are super versatile. I can crisscross the back. I can twist and turn as many times as I want. I can do as many versions of it as I want. And to me, when a piece of clothing is versatile, it adds even more value to it. I don't know about you, but I like to be able to wear one piece of clothing in different ways. Okay, what else can I say? The fit is great. It feels super secure. I'm able to shake my boobs around. I'm able to dance and jump and run. Everything stays in place. I don't feel like I'm spilling out. Again, I'm not a very busty woman, so that's something also to take in consideration when you are shopping for your own body type. I would say that this swimming suit with that deep V-neck and open back feels very, very secure. It feels like the girls are not gonna move anywhere. All right, my love, well, this is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite swimming suit. Personally, the last one, man. Sexy and classy at the same time. Are you kidding me? Yes. All right. I'm gonna go. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir. et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.